Hello, my name is Siwapiwe and I am from the Writing Center at the University of the Free State. In this video, we will be discussing referencing. What is referencing? Referencing is a standardized academic method of acknowledging original sources, ideas, and research, which allows others to trace the sources of your information. This transparency enables readers to verify the accuracy of your data, arguments, and facilitates further research on the topic. Accurate referencing helps to avoid plagiarism, which is the unethical practice of presenting someone else's ideas or work as your own. While there are other styles of referencing in use, this video will focus on Harvard referencing. So, how do we reference? Harvard referencing is made up of two aspects: in-text referencing and the reference list. The in-text reference, or citation, is located within the body of the text, whereas the reference list is placed at the end of the text. It is important that both parts are present whenever you use Harvard referencing. Let's discuss how in-text referencing or citation works. In-text referencing provides immediate attribution to the sources of specific ideas, quotes, data, or concepts within the text's body. This helps readers to identify which parts of the text are supported by external sources. Academic writers can use paraphrasing or direct quotes when in-text referencing. A direct quotation refers to the author's original wording, indicated by quotation marks. When you quote directly, you include the author, the year of publication, and the page number. Paraphrasing is when you write the information from the source in your own words. When you paraphrase, make sure to include the author and the year of publication. Please note that it is not necessary to include page numbers when you paraphrase. However, if you do include the page numbers, please remember to apply this method throughout the writing, since consistency is key. Now that we are familiar with in-text referencing, or citation, we can move to the second aspect of referencing, which is our reference list. The reference list is a detailed list of all the sources that were cited or referenced in the piece of academic writing, such as research papers, a book, an article, or an online source. It is typically placed at the end of the document and provides full publication details for each source, allowing readers to locate and verify the sources used. The sources are listed alphabetically according to the first author's surname. So far, we have explained two aspects that make up referencing in academic writing. These aspects are in-text referencing or citation and the reference list. Now, we can discuss how to link the in-text reference or citation to the reference list. Remember, an in-text reference or citation is a brief notation within the text that points to the full reference entry in the reference list at the end of the document. Both the in-text reference and the reference list entry must be present for the reference to be complete. In conclusion, referencing is an important part of academic writing and research. It enables transparency by letting the reader locate the sources used in your text. Therefore, it contributes to academic integrity and assists in avoiding plagiarism. If you want more specific information on various referencing styles, please refer to your faculty or department-specific guidelines. Thank you for joining me, and good luck on your writing journey.